The animals, though, sometimes before a big thunderstorm or a tornado, they do sense that before we do.
Big time.
That's for sure. But the big picture climate changes, I don't think they know that much.
We'll rely on you.
All right.
How about it?
Keep me employed here, will you? Lake Travis, live, clear. Cold fronts moved through there, but hasn't had much of an impact. It is 75 degrees on KXAN.com, by the way. Anytime you're headed to the lake, just take a look at this camera view and the current weather conditions under the weather tab at KXAN.com. This weather station located there at the Steiner Ranch Steakhouse. Well, out there right now, we're looking at a clear sky in the city. You wouldn't have known that a cold front has blown through unless you've been out there and maybe felt the wind shift. Winds were southwesterly, now they're turning to the northwest. 74 degrees currently, not much of a front. By 8 o'clock, 62. By 10 o'clock, 54 and clear. But by the time you wake up in the morning, you will be able to tell a noticeable difference. It will be kind of cold first thing in the morning, and then even colder, I think, Friday morning. Temperatures around the area right now, look at these mid-70s. Again, some of us have even hit 80 degrees today, but now we're beginning to cool down back up to the northwest. 69 in San Saba, 72 degrees in Llano. Clear and 74 at Camp Mabry. At ABIA, it's 76 degrees under a clear sky. Relative humidity only at 22%. Winds 7 to 13 miles per hour, but again, now shifting around to a northwesterly direction, so we'll eventually get some drier and cooler air in here. Sunset at 5:33 tonight. Mold count today back up into the high category. Should decrease just a little bit tomorrow with this, again, drier air moving in here and cooler air. The molds don't like that. 41 degrees up in Amarillo right now, the state's cool spot. 62 in Dallas, 74 in Houston, 77 degrees in San Antonio. The front not bringing hardly clouds with it into our part of the state, and the only rain is in the northeastern and eastern parts of Texas as an upper-level low rotates there out of Oklahoma and across the Mississippi River here this evening. Now, another large low-pressure area developing now in the Gulf of Alaska will influence our weather next, and I mean for days. I mean right up to Thanksgiving. This big trough out to the west will be bringing in southerly winds at the low levels, southwesterly winds aloft. That will result in warmer weather beginning Friday and continuing all the way through Thanksgiving Eve. But as that moisture continues to increase, we'll start seeing some patchy fog in the mornings and then some drizzle and maybe an isolated rain shower beginning Sunday morning and then again Monday morning, Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning. Right now, it's looking like a fairly strong cold front moves through Thanksgiving Day. Could be morning. Some of the computer models say late Wednesday night. Some of them say Thanksgiving afternoon. But I bet, based on what we're seeing right now in the computer models, that when this trough kicks out, it will kick that front down here sometime Thanksgiving Day, and that probably will mean it'll be a little bit windy and colder for the big Texas A&M game right here in Austin Thanksgiving night. All right, tonight, kind of cold, upper 30s to low 40s early in the morning, and then tomorrow we don't warm to 80. In fact, we don't even make it to 70 tomorrow. Our highs will be in the 60s. In Austin tonight, clear, breezy northwest winds behind the front, 42 in the morning to 65 tomorrow afternoon with north winds and clear sunny skies. 7-day forecast. Cold Friday morning, 38 in Austin. That means rural locations, especially the hill country, a freeze Friday morning is likely. Saturday, 49. We begin warming up, 75 in the afternoon. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday morning, look at those warm mornings. And warm afternoons, near 80 again. But patchy morning fog and drizzle each day and a chance of a shower each day, too, right up through Thanksgiving Eve.
Thanks, Jim.